And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. This is a short video to kick off my new channel. It's Poppy's Other Workshop. I established a Gmail account so that I could have an email address for my million adoring fans can express their love privately without going through the YouTube servers. And other things like generous donations from my fans. Yeah, I'm going to hold my breath on that, baby cakes. Today, while my wife was out, she bought these. Let me read you. Camera color close-up lens, compatible with the following camera models: Mini 7S, Mini 8, Mini 8 Plus, and Mini 9. When you shorten to the 40 centimeter to 60 centimeter while taking photos, close-up lens is easier to focus on the people or any object. It can make the photo better clear. Colorful filter lens lets your photo more funny and interesting. Choose the four color to design any photo effect you like. You can installing directly in front of the camera lens. Chinesium. Okay. I'll try this red one first. Turns everything red. How about this yellow? Looks like I got jaundice in the eyeball. Okay. Sort of a turquoise blue. Yeah. And a darker blue. Let me put my real world glasses back in their case and put on the computer glasses. I can see the screen again. Today was a sad day for me on YouTube. First thing in the morning, watching Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop live stream, I learned that Emma's father had died on Sunday. It's Wednesday. For about 12 more minutes. It's still Wednesday. And after dinner, I was watching Kim Tippin and found out that somehow they became homeless, had to buy a trailer so they could park it at their in-laws' house. And the trailer was full of mold and wood rot and bugs living in the wood. I told Emma I was sad to hear the news, and I had a new email address if she wanted to respond. She knows my old email address. And I told Kim that I was sad to hear the news. And I asked, did she have no water damage on paper? And if she did, call the cops. Because isn't fraud still a crime in Florida? Anyway, I'm going to go now. But before I go, email address so that you can contact me from YouTube is Poppy's Workshop YouTube. That's not a Y-O-U, it's just a U-tube at gmail.com. Don't be afraid to use it for anything that's tasteful or at least legal. Good night from California. Wear a mask. Get vaccinated. Wear gloves because it's a dirty world. And distance yourself from other people, especially the ones you don't know. And if you think you're sick, distance yourself from people you do know and care about. Good night in California.